I failed the first set that I did, not the set itself, but I failed because I didn't have the mic plugged into the camera. Good morning, it's Friday, day 30 of my exercises. This is my second set for the day. My thumb is still feeling much better. It still hurts, but it's feeling much better because I rode my motorcycle all day yesterday with a relaxed grip. I actually kept my thumb out like this on the grip instead of this way. I kept it out like this and just used my fingers. So my hand is feeling much better. I think it's going to heal now that I'm taking care of it better. Not putting so much pressure on it all day with the finger on the brake and wrapping the thumb around the grip. And, I'm just being more careful on the bike, giving myself more room to stop, giving myself more room to slow down, things of that nature. I've been riding for 42 years. So I know how to ride. That I'm not worried about. What was I going to say? Oh yeah, there goes that watch again. Second day in a row. Unbelievable. I'm getting a late start again this morning. I had to do some work on the cooler. The last thing we need is for this house to be 105 degrees in here because the cooler's not working. When I say swamp cooler, it's too much to go into. If you know what one is, great. If you don't, look it up. Just look up what is a swamp cooler. That'll give you a better description of what it is than what I can tell you. But I had to do some work on it so the house will stay cool. It's not an air conditioner. It's a swamp cooler. There's a difference. It's your turn to do a little research, to look some things up. Anyway, Friday, day 30. I can't wait to rest for the weekend. Let me tell you, this is like a job for me. Doing a hard physical labor job. You don't get days off in between the week, during the week to recover. And I see all kinds of videos going, you can't build strength if you exercise every day. Your body needs to recover. You need a day of recovery. And that's fine if you're trying to build mass. I'm sure the science works for that. But as far as building strength, if you've never picked up 2 cinder blocks and carried them 300 feet, 100 yards, and set them down and had to go get 2 more and carry them and set them down and had to go get 2 more and you have to do that all day, and you've never done that in your life, guess what? If you start that job, you need to carry those cinder blocks all day, and you're going to be sore as hell that night and the next day. And you're going to carry those cinder blocks again, and you're going to be sore as hell for, however long it takes. But eventually, you're going to have enough strength, you're going to be able to pick up 4 cinder blocks instead of 2. Because you're going to build strength every day. You're not going to build mass, but you're going to build strength every single day that you're working. Physical labor jobs do not give you a day off in between every day of work to recover. You just go to work every single day and you build the strength to do that job, and that's where you end up. You end up with the strength to do that job, and that's just the way it is. And that's why I'm doing these the way I'm doing them. Twice a day, every day. You can see the improvements already. So there was something else I wanted to talk about, but I forgot what it was. This is set number 2 because I failed to put the mic on for set number 1. I don't like to record the 3rd set. I like to do the 1st or 2nd set or whatever, because that way, like the failure of doing the camera, imagine if that would have been the 3rd set. Now I would have had to have done a 4th set to get the video, and I'm not quite ready to do that yet. I don't want to push myself to the breaking point yet. I think I'm doing really good. I'm progressing really good, but this is set number 2. Set number 1 didn't video. Well, it videoed. There was just no sound. Set number 2. Oh, yeah. Before I start, somebody asked, and I have to answer this. No, I do not warm up before I start my exercises. When I start my exercises, I start with these weights. I don't start with lighter weights and all. I just pick up the weights and start. I don't, I'll do a little stretching, like I'll do this kind of stuff because my shoulders snap, crackle, and pop a lot. And you'll notice when I'm doing my presses, I can't lift this arm as high as I can this one. That's it. That's as far as that arm goes. It locks right there. I can't go any higher because of that broken acromion bone in my shoulder. So, yeah, my form's not perfect, but I'm getting stronger. That's what matters to me. Set number 2, let's do it. Set number 2, Friday, day 29. No, day 30. You know, the second and third set are more difficult than the first. That's just the way it is. And that's the way it's supposed to be. That's how you know you're building muscle. It's already hot in here. I should have fixed that cooler earlier this morning. Oh, that burn. Love that burn. Ah. It's Friday. Been working myself hard this week. Got to set them down for a second. Probably have to do that on the third set as well. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Can't forget this one. All right. One more set to go. I hope you understood what I was talking about yesterday when I said, keep that shit to yourself. Let people just see it. So, if you start a new job, don't tell anyone. Let them see the changes in your mood. If you're happier, or if you're more stressed out, they will eventually mention that. And then you can say, yeah, I'm a lot happier. I got tired of all the stress. I started a new job. Things are working out beautifully. Or you can say, yeah, I screwed up. Started a new job, thought I'd be happier. I'm more miserable than I was before. Whatever the case may be. But let them mention it. The more you talk about something, the less you want to actually do it. I can't remember. Well, I guess it's just an old saying. Actions speak louder than words. Talk is cheap. There's all kinds of old sayings. That was set number 2. Friday, day 30. And, oh yeah, I keep forgetting to mention this. When I say Friday, day 30, this is the 30th time I work out 5 days a week. So, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, that was day 5. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, that was day 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So in other words, when I say stick with me for the first 90 days, I'm just saying stick with me for the first 3 months. Not 90 days of exercising, 90 days in total. This is day 30 of my exercises. My 6th week. 5 days a week times 6 weeks is 30 days of exercising. I have 6 weeks left of exercising to get to that 90-day mark. So it'll actually be 60 days of actual lifting during that 90-day period. So stick with me anyway. Thanks for subscribing. You guys rock. And thanks for all the love. I'm telling you, strangers have a tendency to support you more than close friends and family do. Close friends and family members always have negative shit to say. Or they'll poke fun at you, which turns into a negative in your mind. So they might think it's a joke, but I always look at it like there's a hidden... They wouldn't have said it if it was a joke. There's something hidden there. Jealousy, whatever the case may be, there's something hidden in their joking. And even though they'll say, dude, I was just joking, that doesn't matter. That seed's been planted and it's going to grow. But total strangers, people I've never met in my life, you guys have been encouraging me, pushing me to do, to keep going. You guys rock. Thank you so much. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do that. If you're new here, please click on the playlist over here and start watching my journey from the very beginning. I'm doing all this in real time. There's no AI. There's no, it's all real time. This should be considered reality TV. Just somebody exercising in their room to get in shape, burn some body fat, and build some muscle. I will see you guys on Monday. I can't wait to rest for the weekend. It's been a long week.